My name is Erica and I'm going to be showing you how to make a 360 castle, alright? Now we supplied the cardstock coloring sheets with the castle on top, okay? Here's the supplies that you will need, alright? Okay, so here we go. This is a copy I made before, but as you can see, the first step is actually going to be coloring the coloring sheets. And you can color it however you want. You can make it realistic, you can make it silly, whatever you want to do. But go ahead and color it first, okay? All right, so say I colored this. The next step is going to be cutting it out. Now there's two ways to cut it, okay? Either you can cut it all like so, or you can actually fold it first and then cut it, all right? I kind of prefer cutting it all the way first, just because I find when I fold it, I can better align everything. But you do what you want to do, okay? Let's get started. So now we have our castle all cut out. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold it. So as you can see, we can still see that dotted line right there. So that's what we're going to fold on. But we also want to make sure we're lining things up as good as we possibly can. So line that up. And it probably won't be exact, but that's okay. It just gives it like a little bit of texture. You can also see that I did not cut off the bottom. That's because this gives it a flat edge, okay, for standing up. Now this gray edge, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and fold it as well, okay? All right, so we have our first cut one. Now to make this go a little bit faster, I actually went ahead and cut all of my other ones out, okay? And as you can see, I decided for this one, I was going to cut out all of the spare places. I was gonna cut out all of the different ones, all the different holes, just to give it a little bit of a different feel than my other one that I have, where I didn't do that, okay? All right, so now what we're gonna do is glue them. So, first thing you're going to do, first one's always the hardest, okay? So we're gonna take the two that we are going to glue together. This is gonna be our base one, okay? Which means that we're not going to glue this one because when we go back around, the final one is glued into this, okay? So this is the one going into it. Let me see here. So this actually goes this way. So we're gluing this little strip into this one. So now we do it to the next one. Okay, so we're not gluing this one yet. This one does not glue because everything will go back into this at the very end. So then open up this one and do the same thing again, okay? And we're going to do this one, okay? So, and because you can see this will go over, at the end we'll cut any of the gray things that are showing off. So, go here, put some glue on, line them up, flip this out, And so now these two can actually be glued together. Okay, and then we're going to fold this one back. Here, let's go this way. And when you fold it on, you want to make sure that like everything is lining up well, because sometimes these towers like to go AWOL. And now we're ready for the next one, okay? So the next one, I think is gonna be this one. So we do it again. So we have them facing backwards. We're going to line these up. Going to throw, and actually, I'm finding that it's actually pretty useful to back fold these as well. So now we do it again. So next one's gonna be this guy. All right, guys, so you have finished your castle. Very cool. Now you can go back and cut out some of these little gray pieces if you so choose. That's totally up to you. Again, this is your castle. Do what you want. And if you want to put it away, you can always just fold it up, okay? I hope you guys had fun today. Again, my name is Erica, Hastings Branch. Yeah, peace out.